Well, hello and good morning. Thank you for coming out once again. Another beautiful day here in New Orleans. I'd like to thank the WJTA for hosting it here this year. I think it's a great venue and a great place to have it, and I hope we can have it here again next year. My name is Tryon Stutes with Stutes Enterprise Systems. We're out of LaPorte, Texas, and we are a equipment rental company dealing with high pressure pumps, anything from 3,000 PSI all the way up to 40,000 PSI up to 500 horsepower. We are also building and making our own adapters, fittings. We sell parts and whatnots to the pumping industry, to the hydroblasting industry, and we have been over the last several years being part of this automation revolution that's here of removing the operator from any high pressure source. So we've developed a few of our own tools, and one that we want to show to you today is our Hydra-X Extreme Pad Dragon. What we've done is we've taken an excavator, we've put a tail whip on it, which is part of our hose management system that swivels back and forth. That way you do not pinch the hose as you rotate around. Not only that, as the operator backs up the system, you do have roughly around 15 feet before the unit has to be collected in the rear for the hose, for any hose management. Going along the side, we have our dump system nicely tucked away, protected from any damage or any impacts. The hose management continues to go up, allowing for the flexibility for the arm to move freely from side to side. The Hydra-X has a ultra bright LED light that it really lights up the working surface so the operator can have complete visibility of his working pad. Going in to the head is a unique design that we came up with. We wanted to offer the smallest package with the widest range of motion. So at this time, I mean, what we can do is we can rotate this head 180 degrees from right to left from any position that you put it in. We can go up and down at 180 degrees at 90% of anywhere that you put the arm. We can lay this flat on the ground and have it rotate 180 degrees, and you're blasting 8 inches off the ground. You can go up all the way, tilt flat, still able to rotate at 180 degrees right to left. The other thing that we've done that is pretty specific for us is we have installed an intelligent hydraulic system that allows you, the operator, to control the spin rotation of the nozzles, variable speed from 0 to full flat, fast as you want it, fast as it'll go. The operator has complete control over that speed. It is not a one-dimensional speed. We have our high-pressure dump system that is index finger on, default off. That's the standard on this package. This system is rated up to 20,000 PSI at 43 gallons a minute, which is roughly going to be a 605 unit. And we have a lot of customers that use them with 300 horsepower units and claim that they can do just about anything as far as cleaning with that application. So at this time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let Alec, which he has had minimal time on this excavator. We've been preparing for the show, so he has done a very good job in the short amount of time that he's had. So at this time, I'm going to let him demonstrate what the Hydra-X Pad Dragon can do. We are not under pressure here, so we are just demonstrating the range of motion. Now, as you can see, it really did not matter what any position the head was put into. The rotation of the right and left is still at 180 degrees. This is going to allow the operator to get into cracks and crevices and in many other areas that other systems comparable would not be able to reach due to the size and the mass of the rotation that they have to move. All of the hydraulics today, this whole demonstration was done at idle. The unit with the intelligent hydraulic system there's no need to idle up the system to have any of the hydraulics run. Everything at this point was ran at idle speed. And also, as you notice, the tail whip, as he rotated, kept the hose nice and safe away from any of the tracks. Hose management, as we heard a while ago, has been a major key to some injuries in the field that may be overlooked. So this is another thing that we've taken into that we wanted to make sure and have management as well. The next item that we want to demonstrate is going to be the sidekick. So basically what our sidekick is, it is a hydraulic power pack that is remote controlled via this pad, and it goes alongside with the Hydra-X. Now the operator can have complete control of the rollers. He can have complete control of the blasting system, the nozzle, the pressure. He has complete control. The unit will remote start and remote stop from the keypad, and it will rotate the rollers right and left. One thing I would like to point out at this time, we would like to thank PSI Pressure Systems for allowing us to use their set of rollers for this demonstration. So we do appreciate them for that. So at this time, I'd like to demonstrate the rollers. We are utilizing a gas engine for this test model. The finished product will be with diesel engine. Nice and simple, easy to operate, cutting your cost immensely when you roll up on a pad. There's no real need for a shell side machine. This is a great alternative. Once again, giving the operator 100% control. We are in booth 417. We do have another unit inside. We would like to talk to you if you have any questions. Thank you for your time, and thank you for coming out again to the WJTA.